back again with another beatbox tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna teach you the spit snare, which sounds like, okay, it's the trap snare, and you can use it in trap beats. It's very powerful snare and has very good sounds. It is easy to learn. You just need to get the method to do it. So what you have to do is just make this sound. For this you have to close your mouth completely, and you have to put a lot of pressure from these sides, from inside the mouth, and keep the lips closed. Just let out a little pinch of air, like, okay, you close your mouth, then you will put some pressure through it. You can feel from your lips, it will sound something like some tingling feeling, and that is from where you will leave the air. Okay, so it will sound like, and what you have to just do it is cut that sound too short and give some impact to it, like, okay. So that's it for this video. Be sure to like our videos, share it to everybody. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the damn like button. Also post in the comments what you like to learn. Okay, turn it on.